2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrosts. So first, make sure the vehicle's turned on and powered up, which this is, and then here's your controls for the front defrost. Now it's on, and then the rear defrost, that would be on. And then for your front, while it's on, it's now controlled by the fan. And there's two options. You could do this where it just blows out of these vents on the glass, or you could use this setting where it's going to blow on that vent on the glass as well as by your feet. And then if you want it to blow faster or slower, you can use this, and then you can adjust the temperature if you want it to blow cold or hot. And even if you've got it all the way hot, you still sometimes might want to have this AC on, just because that AC can pull moisture out of the air so it doesn't fog up so much. And then when you're done, you can either just turn this fan all the way off, or just click this so the light turns off. And then for your rear, when that's activated, if you can see in the camera, maybe you can't, but there's black lines running through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So while this is turned on, it activates those so it would start to melt any ice that might be building up. And then to turn it off, you'll just make sure this isn't lit up. And if these aren't lighting for some reason, first thing I'd probably check your fuses. Maybe there's a fuse that went out that's making these inoperable. But otherwise, maybe check with like a scan tool or something in the OBD2 port as well. Maybe there's a code that could tell you more precisely why this isn't working. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.